I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today is another in the Carnival series, and I gave you a hint of what it was going to be last week if you've been following along. Frickles! Yeah, fried dill pickles. It's awesome. So, I don't like doing a heavy batter. I like doing a lighter batter, more like a tempura than a heavy batter, because I want the flavor of the pickles. And dill works the best with this. It's just the nicest flavor combination with the batter and sauce that we're going to do with it. So these are pretty simple. Let's get to it. So for the pickle part, you're going to need the pickles. A couple cups of sliced pickles. They need to be patted dry. I already patted these dry. You don't want any moisture on them so that the batter can adhere to them. Half a cup of water, flour, I have paprika, or you can use cayenne, Italian seasoning, and some of my homemade Cajun seasoning. For the sauce, some mayo and some ketchup, horseradish, and some more Cajun seasoning. And you're going to need oil for frying, so peanut or vegetable oil for frying. And since it's Wednesday, and I'm doing it in cast iron, it's also a Cast Iron Wednesday, which was started by Native Tears and many other wonderful channels like Shovelhead 8 also participate in. Check them out and check out the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. Now, back to the Frickles. So first we're going to mix the batter part. Ignore my Pampered Chef tape bowl because it had just a slice here. And I love my Pampered Chef batter bowls, and I'm not ready to give it up yet, so I did that just to make it safe. There's my paprika, my Italian seasoning, and the Cajun seasoning. We'll just give that a good whisk. Get that incorporated well, and then we'll add our water. Beaten well so it's nice smooth consistency. Get rid of the lumps, and there's your frickle batter, just that quick. Now let's do the sauce, and we'll put together our sauce. Here's the mayo and the ketchup, and once again, you know, like all my videos, the amounts, the recipe will be in the description below, so check it out. And my horseradish, give a little zip, and my Cajun seasoning. And yes, besides the pickles and the Cajun seasoning, I did videos on both on my channel. So we're going to give this a mix quick for our dipping sauce, and there it is, ready to go. So let's get to frying. Okay, I've added my pickles to the batter. Make sure that they're all around good, and then I'm going to take them with a fork and drain off the excess, and let the frying ensue. These don't take long, so watch them. I put a half batch in at a time. About the time that the last one goes in, the first ones are ready to come out. Use a slotted spoon to drain it well, and put it out onto a paper towel lined plate. Make sure it drains. Homemade Frickles. The cactus sauce. You know what comes next? The taste test. And here they are in all their fried frickle glory with the cactus sauce. So I love these things. Love them. And with my homemade pickles. Oh, wow. Still warm. Let's try this one. That cactus sauce is so good. It's still got crunch. Oh man, these are good. Plus, I had those peppers in that and garlic in with those pickles, and that gave it some really good flavor along with that dill. Oh my god, these are good. They're so easy to make. These are so good. They're really good with the lighter batter because, like I said, it doesn't overwhelm the dill pickle part. I don't know, maybe there'll be some left for Mike. You gotta give these a try. So simple. So easy. They just come out so nice and crispy, like a nice pickle chip. And a little bit of our dipping sauce. There we go. Perfect. And hey, it's pickles, cucumbers. Moderately healthy, right? You know, these are treats. You only get them a couple times a year. I don't make them that often, but when I do, I really love going all out with the homemade, all my own stuff, because the flavor is just so good. When you have it elsewhere, unfortunately it just tastes more bland and just doesn't have the depth of flavor that homemade does in doing your own. Don't have the preservatives and all that stuff either. So, homemade Frickles, give them a try. I'll include the links at the end here for the Cajun seasoning and my homemade garlic refrigerator dill pickles that I use to make these. It's not hard. This summertime, cucumbers are in abundance right now. Great way to use them up. Enjoy. And wait till you see what the next Carnival series bid is. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.